Salad base iced cake. Whipped icing. I put icing on the sides first, then the top. Try to keep it even as much as you can. Spread the top around to make it more even. Scrape your scraper off into a bowl to get excess off. Use a flat scraper and smooth the sides. Use the same scraper and smooth the top, starting at the corners and pulling inwards, using light motions to only take the excess off. Add extra icing on the corners to help build the 90-degree angles.